Let's go take a look at XRP, because I know I saw something today that what's happening at XRP is selling off. Nothing's happening, right? At the end of the day, XRP shot up to, I think, about 70 cents last night. And guess what? People are taking profit. They're taking profit because, shit, they want their money. Some people have been in XRP for so damn long, they finally got a pump, and they just want to take profit. Does it mean that it's crashing? The reality is this. Crypto's home free, baby. Crypto's home free. We got the right people in office. The legislations are going to be put in place. Gary Gensler is going to be fired. It's okay. We're good, man. But it's going to pull back because people are taking profit. But this is early. It's like 5 something in the morning right now. And by the end of the day, this shit could be back up over 70,000. So as far as XRP, it did come up here to that 66 cent level. I expected people to take profit. We might pull back a little bit into a flag and then take off. That's all that's happening. Nothing's wrong. And if we pop through that, XRP's got a great shot of going up to 74. We're going to analyze that probably this afternoon, but I do like 64 cents. I mean, come on. We lived in this 50-cent range forever. At least that shit is in the 60 cents. And the squeeze fired. It's looking great. We bounced off that support level. All is good. BlackRock just bought $756 million in Bitcoin. Here we go. Exactly. They're buying that. Again, everybody is going to start buying. This has not even come close to the final stop. As soon as Gary Gensler's fired, I really think this market's going to go through the roof, right? Regulations are finally going to be put in place. I mean, BlackRock wouldn't be buying $756 million in Bitcoin, right? Vivek, for real? Great job, right? XLM, right? XLM, take a look at what's going on here. So XLM, this is important. I'm in XLM right here in the end of July. XLM, or just recently, I guess 2 days ago or yesterday, broke through this high. Take a look at XRP. XRP hasn't done that yet. So this is a good sign. If XLM is leading XRP, XRP is going to follow, right? But Bitcoin's at 87,000, taking a break. Ethereum, you know, had a massive pump, came right up to that 3,300. It's taking a break. But by the end of the day, it could be a damn rocket ship. We're going to get more into that because we're good, man. We are good. The hardest part is going to be, when do we take profit, right? When you see your portfolio, like right now, it's going up, and then it goes up to like 6, 7, some people 8 figures. What are you going to do? That's the difficult part. Do I know when we're going to actually take off and break all-time high? Of course not. But everything's great. Gary Gensler is going to be fired very soon. Okay, let me kind of pull it back up here. Gary Gensler is going to be fired very soon. That is party time. The lawsuit against Ripple is going to be dropped. Coinbase lawsuit going to be dropped. Right? The attack over. Over. There's nothing they can do to us anymore. Right? Businesses start coming back into the United States. Crypto becoming more and more mainstream, more ETFs. XRP ETF coming here very soon, especially now. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, tons more. It is over. The attack against us is gone. We're going to get rich. And there's nothing these idiots on the other side can do about it. Just have the faith and let's go, man. This is the time for fucking celebration. 64 cents. Dogecoin's looking strong. Right now, Ondo's down the most, but that's okay. Again, Ondo went up the most as well. People are taking profit. It's a beautiful thing. I do want to see Ethereum, right? Ethereum's sitting right under its key level, 3,397. I'd love to see that pop up through. All in all, everything's great. XRP is doing great. You're doing great. And at the end of the day, we're happy. Liberals are crazy. A lot of entertainment. And capitalize and take advantage of what's happening. Now, if you're interested in joining our private members area, we just launched that. Inside that members area, we have a lot of perks. I post videos that I don't post on this channel for anybody else, private live streams, live coaching classes. We go over indicators. Also, I have a Q&A group where I give alerts, and then we have a specific trading room for crypto, day trading the futures, and option swing trading. If that interests you, check down below in the description to join our private members area.